In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move your all contacts to your Gmail account or to your Google account so that whenever you do your phone reset, that time you won't lose your contact. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest process for you. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for moving your all contacts to your Google account, you'll need to use your this contacts application. So let me click this one, and after that let me click here this three dot line, then click here settings, and after that you can see manage contacts, and in that section you can see move contacts to other storage location. So you need to click here move contacts, this option, and you can see from, select where to move your contacts from, from which location you want to move your contacts. So I want to move my this phone location contacts, these all contacts I will move to my Gmail account. Okay, so let me select all, and after that let me click here done option, and you can see from then to, select where to move this contact. So I need to choose my Gmail account or Google account. Okay, so let me choose my last Gmail account. In my this Gmail account I want to move my all contacts. So let me choose this one, and after that let me click here move option, and my all contacts will be moved. You can see moving contacts. So just wait for a few seconds. So you can see 44 contacts have been moved from your phone to your Google account. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can move your all contacts to your Google account, and this is Samsung phone, so that's why these settings will be maybe different. But if you have another phone, just let me comment below. I will make video for your phone also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.